we're going to evaluate the integral of secant cubed x dx. From the previous video, it was shown that the integral of secant is equal to natural log of absolute value of secant x plus tangent x. We also are going to need the following trig identity. We know that sine squared x plus cosine squared x is 1. Dividing by cosine squared, we get tan squared x plus 1 equals 1 over cosine squared, that's secant squared x. And solving this for tangent squared x becomes secant squared x minus 1. We also need to recall that the derivative of secant x is equal to secant x tangent x, and one more thing, the integral of secant squared is tangent. So all these should be familiar to you. We're going to put them together to evaluate this important integral because it occurs in many other applications that will follow. So you need to know the integral of secant cubed well. Okay, so here is the solution to finding the integral of secant cubed. We're going to rewrite it as secant times secant squared, and we're going to apply integration by parts to this integral, with u being secant x and dv secant squared x dx. So du is a derivative of secant. It is secant x tangent x dx, and of course antiderivative of secant, just mentioned, is tangent. So v is tangent x. We start then with this integral of secant cubed. That's our integral of u dv. It is equal to u times v, which is secant x times tangent x. We're just applying integration by parts, so this is u times v, minus the integral of v du. The integral of v du, we have secant tangent times tangent, so it becomes secant x times tangent squared x. So this integral here is the integral of v du. Now the tangent squared will be replaced with its trigonometric identity. So I'm going to one more time write the left hand side. Secant cubed x is equal to secant x times tangent x minus the integral of secant x times tangent squared, which is secant squared x minus 1. And this is equal to, this integral can be expanded, so it's secant x tangent x minus the integral of secant cubed x minus secant x dx. So we'll rewrite this one more time, and that will lead us to the answer. On the left we have the integral secant cubed. On the right we have secant x times tangent x minus the integral of secant cubed x minus a minus plus the integral secant x. So we already know how to integrate secant. Now notice this over here, it's negative integral secant cubed. If I move this integral to the left side, it will become positive. So we have one integral of secant cubed that's on the right that will be moved to the left, the other one on the left, that gives us a total of two integrals of secant cubed. So two integrals, 2 times the integral of secant cubed x is equal to secant x times tangent x, and then we know the integral of secant, it is natural log of absolute value of secant x plus tangent x. Now dividing both sides by 2, we arrive at the answer. The integral of secant cubed x is 1/2 times secant x times tangent x plus 1/2 ln absolute value secant x plus tan x, and then we can add a c at the end, and that's the answer for